Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna show you how to create, edit and manage flows as a project manager. Since we have already created our project in this case, we have already inserted the sending institution, the hosting institution and assigned certain roles to users, we will now show you how to create a flow. So we click here in flows. As you can see here, there's a button at the top of the screen saying New Flows. And here, we will be asked to insert a name for our flow. Then insert a date. For this example, we're going to insert a whole week. So let's start from the 15th of May to the 21st of May in this example. Now for country, we're going to select the country of the hosting institution. Here we will choose the city, and we also have the option to select the intermediary organization if we have an intermediary organization in our mobility. Now when it comes to places available, it's the amount of slots available for participants. We can select the companies, and finally what we can choose is the status of the flow, which is the work in progress or the active. The work in progress indicates that the flow, the management of the flow and the editing of the flow is still in progress, and the active status indicates that the flow, the editing process of the flow is complete and we're on the implementation phase. As we click on save, you will see the message successfully updated. That means that our flow has been inserted in the system. Here it is, as you can see right now. The name is Flow1 in Kilkis from the 15th of May to the 21st of May. Now, here what we can do is click on the button that says Manage Slots. What we have here is we can choose the institutions, the sending institutions. We have from the already inserted ones we have, as you can see here, in this case is the municipality of Paonia. We have 6 slots because in our flow we already inserted 6 slots. We indicated that. We click the save button and the flow is updated. Now we can edit the flow, and in the editing phase it's about editing the already existing information that we have accessed in the system, inserted in the system. We can change the dates, for example. In this case it's the 29th of May to the 4th of June. Now if we change the places available, here for example, you will see that the amount of slots will also change. We successfully updated again the... If you go to Flow 4 and click on Manage Slots, you will see that now there are 8 slots. So it's dependent on the information we insert at the beginning when we're setting an entire flow or creating a flow. Furthermore, while we're editing a flow, we can also add accompanying persons to our mobility. In this case, as we can see here, we click on accompanying persons, and what we can do is insert a new accompanying person by clicking here. Now, the accompanying person details that will be asked from us are the name, as you can see, the surname. This is, of course, this name and surname is an example. It will ask us for the country of the accompanying person, in this case Greece, their email address, and a username. Of course, it will ask for a password, and the departure date and return date for this accompanying person. Of course, this is the same as the mobility, or maybe slightly different. What this does, what this actually accomplishes, is a new account for the website. This is very important. And in our next video, we will see how to manage flows, insert, edit, delete a student as a tutor, assign students to the flows, and log in as a student.